Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R for you. Well, we're back again, and what I'm doing this time around is I've got a 2018 Vauxhall Astra. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the rear brake light, position light, rear light bulb. Okay, nice, easy job, 5 minutes job. You can do it outside your house, no problem. I mean, I wouldn't do it outside in that weather kind of thing, but yeah, if it's a nice day, you do it outside your house, no problem. Let's do it. Let's go. This is the type of backlight it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is we need to take the full lamp off. To go in through this side, take that off. I'm going to go in there and bang, there we go. That little plastic nut, we're going to take that off. Try getting my hand onto it. You can do it with your hand, or if you can get a 10mm spanner on there, you can get a 10mm spanner on there, pliers, whatever you've got. If you're strong enough, you can take it off with your fingers. Shouldn't be that tight anyway. So once we've taken that one off, we can get the rear lamp off. Right, that one is off. All we do now is we give it a little, there we go, pull straight out. We'll disconnect the wiring plug, that little red clip, push that up. See if I can do it with one hand basically. Push that red clip up and then press down onto that, and then you have to hold the lamp with another hand and take this plug off. Alright, after that it's pretty much plain sailing. What we do is little clip here, push that clip back, push that clip back here as well, one there, one there, one on this side. Get a little flat screwdriver and just push them back, and that part comes off. As you can see, we've got a bit of corrosion there. Try to clean it up as well, that's another common fault. And let's take this bulbs holder off. Then what we do is, there we go, we'll take that off. Happy days. And there's the bulbs. Right, okay, let's go ahead and replace the bulbs. We'll replace that one, replace that one as well at the same time. And that's it, job done. There we go, guys, ta-da! The lamp is all back on and everything. As you can see, it's not working. Okay, I'm going to explain to you guys. The reason why it's not working, guys, obviously when I took the bulb holder off, the lamp off and everything, you eagle-eyed viewers out there, and you can maybe notice there's corrosion on the plug. Okay, that's because the plug has burnt out, the pins have burnt out. That's the problem. Okay, it's not the bulb problem on this one, it's the actual plug itself. So anyway, guys, that's how we replace the bulbs. Okay, that's the way, exact same way you take the lamp off and everything, and you can replace the bulbs. In this case, it's not the bulbs, it's the actual plug itself. So make sure you check that out as well. Anyway, guys, I hope that video helps you guys out. I didn't even show you guys how to change the bulb, but you get the picture. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. I'll see you guys soon.